Good morning to all. Myself Pratibha Chaudhary, your English teacher. Students, today we talk about the noun possessive case. In this chapter, we know what is noun. Let us understand about possessive case. The possessive case is used to show possession or ownership of a noun. The possessive form of a noun varies subject to subject. Possessive form of a noun is used to show the ownership or possession of noun on anything or object. Let us discuss some of these important forms. Possessive forms of noun. First, the possessive form of he is his. The possessive form of she is her. The possessive form of we is our. The possessive form of they is their. The possessive form of you is your. The possessive form of it is its. We have already read about the possessive forms of noun. Let's move to use of possessive form. Number 1 is when the noun is singular, like he, she, it, of name of any person. We form possessive case by adding s apostrophe s to it. For example, Mohan's brother is my friend. Students, we add apostrophe s here to show the relationship between Mohan and his brother. So, we read as Mohan's brother is my friend. Second, when the noun is plural, like they, we, you, etc., but doesn't end with s, we form possessive case by adding apostrophe s to it. Just like, for example, this shop deals in men's garment. Here we add apostrophe s in man. Man is plural noun and doesn't end with s, so we add apostrophe s to show the possessive case. Now we come to the next point, when the noun is in plural case and end with s, we form possessive case by adding apostrophe to it. Example, this is a boys hostel. Students, boys is a plural noun, but here s is already added in boy, so we doesn't use s here, we use only apostrophe. So we read as this is a boys hostel. Let us revise this chapter from our book. As we have already know about the possessive forms, we read as we use the possessive form of a noun to show ownership or possession. As we have already read the uses of possessive form, let us revise. When the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding s to the noun, as Mohan's brother is my friend. Here, apostrophe s shows the relationship between the Mohan and his brother. A dog's house is known as a kennel. Students, here we use apostrophe s to the dog. Here apostrophe s shows the relationship between dog and a house. Second, when the noun is plural but doesn't end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s as we visited a famous children's park in Bengaluru. Here children is a plural noun but doesn't end with s, so we use apostrophe s to form a possessive case. This woman's hostel is being built by the mayor. Last is when the noun is plural and ends in s, the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe. Ladies' purses are sold here. In the word ladies, s is already here, so we don't add s, we use only apostrophe to make it possessive case. They celebrated Teachers' Day in school. In this word teachers, also s is here, so we use only apostrophe to make it possessive case. Let's come to our exercises. Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive form. This is a dash hostel. Here a word given girl. So we write as girls school. Dash children are available here. Word given children, we use apostrophe s to make it possessive. So children's dresses are available here. Meera, this is dash hat. A name is given Meera, so we write as Meera's hat. A dash tail always remains curved. Word given dog. We add apostrophe s to make it possessive case. A dog's tail. Dash paintings were displayed in the exhibition. The word students is a plural noun. S is already in this word, so we don't add s, we use only apostrophe here. Students' paintings were displayed in the exhibition. 6. I am going to the dash shop. Do you need anything? Confectioner. The word confectioner, in the word confectioner we add apostrophe s. So we read as I am going to her confectioner's shop. We found the dash room locked. The word here given teachers is a plural noun and s is already here, so we use only apostrophe to make it possessive form. So we read as we found the teacher's room locked. The king's palace was attacked by the enemies. The word king is a singular noun, so we use apostrophe s. 9th. This shop deals in men's garment. Here the man is plural noun, but it doesn't end with s, so we add apostrophe s to make possessive form. The word boys is a plural noun and the s is already here, so we use only apostrophe to make possessive form. So now let's move to the B exercise. Write the correct possessive nouns to match the pictures below. Here some pictures are given. We have to write possessive noun. In this picture, as we can see, a cycle and a girl. So we write here girl's cycle. Second, in this picture, a girl with a dog. We write here girl's dog. Here a boy and a flag. We write as boy's flag. In this picture, we see a boy with his car. We write as boy's car. So students, I hope you all have understood this chapter clearly. Thank you students.